Hey everyone, whether you are a creator or a small business owner or someone who just loves designing a beautiful post, adding text to your images can make a huge difference. So today I'll show you how you can add text to your images using Adobe Express. And trust me, it's super easy, quick and looks professional even if you're not a designer. So let's start by going to Adobe Express. You can use it right in your browser, no downloads needed. On the home page, click on this button and choose your desired size for the photo. Now click here and upload that photo you want to add text on. Once you've selected and imported your photo, click on the text option. It could be your quote, product name, or even Instagram handle, and just like that, you've added text to your photo. Easy, right? Now here's where the fun begins, text design. You can customize your font, color size, and even add shadows or outlines. If you want your text to really pop, try the preset styles. They instantly give your design that professional look. And yes, you can add text in the image anywhere, top, center, or corner. Just drag and drop. You can also add cool touches like background shapes behind your text, adjust transparency, or layer multiple text boxes. Adobe Express even lets you animate your text if you're creating a reel cover or story post. Perfect for grabbing attention online. Now, once you're happy with your design, just click download and you're done. So you've officially learned how to add text to your images online in just a few minutes. So next time you want to make your photos stand out, remember Adobe Express has you covered.